Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for southern Middlesex County, eastern Suffolk County, and southeastern New York until 2:30 p.m. At 2:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Southampton, moving north at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Southold, Clinton, Old Saybrook, Southampton, Sag Harbor, Bridgehampton, Westbrook, Shelter Island, Greenport, Shinnecock Hills, Peconic, Nyack, North Haven, Fenwick, and Orient. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.